Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I would share how you increase your points multiplier on Plaza Finance. As you can see here, I have 116 points at level 2 and my points multiplier is 1x as you can see here. So what do we do? So we are going to head over to the Plaza Finance guide, this guide. So we will join. We'll sign into our guide. Now, for first timers, you have to create accounts. So I'm going to use MetaMask to connect. Okay. So as I'm connecting the MetaMask, it should get connected in a bit. Yeah, we are ready to go. So loading wallet, as you can see on the screen. I would need to verify wallet ownership. So this is what it looks like. Now you confirm the sign-in request. You agree to the terms. You join Plaza Finance Guide. So connect your Discord account. So you are going to connect all your social accounts here. Discord, Telegram, um, Twitter. Okay, authorize. Discord successfully connected. Now connect your X. Authorize app. X successfully connected. Let's connect our email. So I have the code 645 112. Okay, so I've been able to, let me see if I have access to join. Do I meet the requirements? I think it should be, you out of these five, you should be able to do four over four something. So let's wait for it. Now let me check for, I got this. Then here I need to follow Plaza Finance on Twitter, and once that is done, you refresh here, and you claim here. I have 3/4 tax here. So the same thing applies. If you have a Fakasta account, you connect your Fakasta and follow Plaza Finance on Fakasta, and that is all for their guide tax. So let's see what I have on my. You see, it's now a 1.3 multiplier. It means each each claim I make will be each claim I make will be, instead of 4, create, you see the reward guide here, create bond token plus 4. So instead of plus 4, I'll be having plus 5.2, redeem bond token plus 5.2, create leverage token plus 5.2, claim coupon plus 5.2. That is what I'll keep getting. So if you boost Discord, you have uh 50 points that will be given once, and that goes on. If you win a game on the Discord, you have 100 points. Each game you win, you get 100 points. If you win a contest, you have 250 points. So that is how you increase your point multiplier on Plaza Finance. I hope this video helps. So please kindly give a follow, that subscribe to the channel, like and share to your friends. More videos like this will be coming to your way. Thank you.